All right, guys, here's another video to show you an alternate way to create the windows for your lanterns. So some of you guys might want to use the hand-drawn feature, which there's another video to explain that to you guys. But this way is if you want to get an image off of Google, we're going to put it into Tinkercad and create an SVG file. So for example, I have this heart shape here. It says love for Valentine's Day because that's coming up. And what I did is I found this image on Google and I saved it and I turned it into an SVG and I imported it to Tinkercad. Okay. So what we are going to do, I'm going to show you another example. Let's just pick something here. Let's just say this one will work, this dog one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to look, this one is a PNG. So I'm going to go ahead and save that to my desktop. Next I need to go and I need to say PNG to SVG converter on Google. There's also a link to a PNG to SVG converter on the FabLab website. But I'm just going to go to this one here. I'm going to upload my file. Like I said, saved to my desktop. It'll probably be under your Google Drive. And of course, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and convert. And while that's converting, I'm going to actually go back to Tinkercad here, and I'm going to export this one that I just found. And when I export it, I want to export it as a .svg. That's for laser cutting because we're going to be using laser cutter. And I should have named it something different here. I forgot to do that. So you should put your name and then say like window 1 or window 2. But once that is exported, I'm going to go to my Dremel laser cutter and I'm going to import that file. So let's go ahead and import that really quick. It's under my downloads. And click continue. And here it is. I'm going to put it over here so you can see it. So now it's going to cut out all of this outside spots. So this, where it says love, that will actually still be cardboard. Everything else will be cut out. Okay. So with this one here, I'm going to download it as well. This is the heart dog silhouette. I'm going to go back to Tinkercad here. I'm going to import it to make sure everything is working or looks correct. If I need to remove anything, I can do that in Tinkercad. Going to go ahead and import. And it's very, very large. So one thing you can do when you import it, you can just say, I want to scale it down by 50 to 75%. But for this reason, I'm just going to import it myself. And there we go. So with my love heart here, there we go. When I ungroup it, you can see I actually had to get rid of this piece here. This little, I don't know why it had a little extra piece. So all I did is I used a hole, a box hole, and I just covered it up and then I grouped it together and then I exported that file. So with this one here, this dog one, you would not have to change it at all. All right, we would do the same process. We would then click on the dog, go to export as an SVG. It's going to load, and then I'm going to import that to Dremel. Continue. And I'm going to move over here so you can see it, and there would be my second window. Now, obviously, we would put this on our actual lanterns, and we would size it and then cut all our windows out at once. All right, so if you have any questions, come see Mr. Singer or myself.